Aries, hi, welcome to Mr. Queen PH. At ito ang inyong weekly reading for February 17 to 23, 2025. If you're interested in private readings, meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment. Pakicheck nyo na lang yung information kung paano mag-book for a private reading. And please subscribe to our channel to show your support. Like, share this video at comment na rin kayo kung kayo ay naka-resonate. And thank you sa lahat ng mga hindi nagsiskip ng ads. Okay, let's begin. Aries, what's up with you ngayong week na to? Acceptance. Ayan, meron kayong finally tatanggapin na. Meron kayong tatanggapin na person sa buhay nyo, or meron kayong i-accept na situation sa buhay nyo na dati in denial kayo or ayaw nyong tanggapin. So maaring itong acceptance na to may kinalaman rin to sa mga bagay na pinatawad nyo na sa buhay ninyo. You also have balance. So this is bringing balance into your life. Maaring may mga times na nag-iiba-iba yung priorities mo at hindi mo na nabibigyan ng panahon yung mga iba pang importante sa buhay mo. So this week, you will bring balance into your life. You will spend time, energy doon sa mga bagay na nangangailangan ng attention mo. This can be a person in your life, relationship, or commitment mo sa buhay like trabaho or business mo. You are also going to take action. I think this is inspired action para sa inyo. If meron kayong mga ideas ngayon na pwedeng matagal nyo nang iniisip pero hindi kayo makapag-take ng action. So finally, it's happening. You are doing something about it. May ginagawa ka ng hakbang. Hindi na lang iniisip. Your overall energy. Wait, 10 of Pentacles. As an overall energy, this is stability in your finances. This is abundance. Maaring you will spend more time with your family rin, no? I see vacation, baka magbubook kayo ng magandang Airbnb place, no? Or pwedeng merong reunion or pag-uusap-usap na may kinalaman sa mana, no? Maaring iba sa inyo kung yung parents nyo maraming ari-arian, so maaring they are already discussing kung paano paghahati-hatian yung inyong mana or yung properties nila. Maari ring you are focusing on your family's future, you are saving a lot of money, kumbaga pinaghahandaan mo na yung future ng mga anak mo or yung future ninyo mag-asawa, no? So this is stability and abundance in your finances, career, or business ninyo. Some of you pwedeng mag-acquire din kayo ng property. Your challenge is the Ace of Swords. So ayun na nga, ang isa sa challenge nyo, yung mga bagay na iniisip nyo lang ng iniisip pero hindi nyo nasisimulan. Idea siya, magandang idea siya, kaya lang minsan ino-overthink ninyo. Sa kaka-overthink nyo, hindi nyo nagagawa. 'Di ba? Minsan nakaka-relate ako diyan. So just do it, kumbaga. Okay? So your opportunity is the Lovers. So this is commitment. So meron kang opportunity ngayon to be more committed sa iyong goals, sa iyong mga responsibilities, 'di ba? So you are giving your energy, time sa mga importanteng bagay sa'yo. Can be a relationship, can be your family, or business partnership. Meron ka ring decision making na kailangan mong gawin. I think yung iba sa inyo, itong decision making na to ay hindi lang para sa'yo but also for someone na malapit sa buhay mo. Let's say anak mo, na meron ka pagdidesisyonan para sa anak mo and kailangan mo rin ng insight ng anak mo. Hindi lang ikaw ang magdedesisyon para sa kanya. So, kumbaga, it's like, bringing balance into the situation na meron siyang input, meron ka ring input. So, just, ano lang yan, example lang yan. It's about decision na meron ding say yung ibang tao na concern doon sa decision mo. And then your blessing is, wow, the Chariot. So as a blessing, this is success. This is a fast-moving energy. So like what I mentioned kanina, kung may decision-making man, mapupunta ka or makakapag-decide ka para sa ikabubuti mo. And this will lead you to success. This will lead you to your destiny. This will lead you to your life's purpose. So yung iba sa inyo, ang blessing ay pagkakaroon ng sasakyan, motor, kotse, or any vehicle. No? Kung balak niyong bumili ng truck, makakabili kayo ng truck. And some of you, this is a blessing of travel. So, traveling to some other places. Can be abroad rin. But I think this is like travel with family. Kasi meron kayong isi-celebrate. Ganon. Let's see. Hardships, overcoming, trials to overcome. Yes. I think itong trials na ma-overcome ninyo is about accepting the things na hindi mo kontrolado at pag-surrender sa mga bagay na hindi mo kontrolado. So anything that is beyond your control, you're just lifting it all up to God, and kung ano yung kaya mong ayusin, bigyan ng solusyon, you will take action. Ano tong 50-50 na to? Okay. Quick action. Meron ditong wish granted. Okay? So, maaring meron kang wish na matutupad ngayong week na to. Kailangan lang talaga, you have to take action. Kasi itong energy ng 50-50 is pwedeng hindi mangyari, pwedeng mangyari. Okay? Siyempre, depende yan sa action na gagawin mo. So, siyempre, hindi mangyayari yan kung wala kang gagawing action. Pero, mangyayari yon kung you will apply action to your goals. Diba? So, importante dyan, alam mo kung ano yung gusto mo. Alam mo kung ano yung goal mo, yung sinet mo na goal, para alam mo rin kung ano yung action na gagawin mo para mangyari yung goal mo. And I also see na meron kang makakasama rito, someone who's very supportive of you, can be a romantic connection or a family member. Meron kasing pressure yung iba sa inyo no? Meron kayong, parang you are putting a lot of pressure sa sarili ninyo na minsan, hindi naman nakailangan, 'di ba? Na i-pressure yung sarili nyo kasi you have the control rin kung ipi-pressure mo ba yung sarili mo o hindi, 'di ba? So, might as well just give yourself some time na i-process yung mga kailangan mong gawin para hindi ka na-pressure. Kasi minsan nakaka-frustrate din yun no? Digital detox, recalibrate, reset, and recharge. So this week, maaring yun nga, may vacation yung iba sa inyo. Yung iba, medyo babawasan nyo na yung pag-consume ng social media, digital detox kasi to So you are going to reset, you are going to clear your mind para mas maging madali sa inyo na makapag-take action dun sa mga goals ninyo. Okay, so that is your reading, Aries. Thank you so much. See you.